Hi everybody, welcome to week 4, module 4. We're going to look at understanding others this week. So we focused on understanding self. We're not done with that, but we're going to stop in and try to look at others and see how we're similar and different. Quote by Carl Jung there. So in this reading, or in this week, we're going to look at your ability to empathize with others, and identify ways that people are similar and different. So the readings this week, the Blind Spots book, Managing Diversity at Spencer and Owens, that's a case study. And then African American Inequality in the U.S. is a free short history lesson that helps you to understand race in America or in the United States. And then some videos. So I've asked you to choose one video from How You See Me, one video from Do All fill in the blank category feel the same, and then to find and watch one video about someone who's different from you. And I've given you some examples here, but you can find your own as well. I'll also be posting about the IDI, the Intercultural Development Inventory. So let's take a look. The discussion board this week, I'm going to ask you to share your analysis of Spencer Owens' case and how well they did at managing diversity. What was their intent? What were the actual outcomes? What kind of changes do they need? What kind of leaders do they have? So try to post your first response by Wednesday and then respond to 2 others by Sunday. Your written assignment this week gives you an opportunity to reflect on the book Blind Spots. So again, talking about unconscious bias with a little bit more background on why blind spots happen, how they can be helpful, what can we do about them. So that's written just for me. And then your journal this week is to watch basically 3 videos. One from each category, your reaction, what did you learn about the people, and then what can you do with this information. So let me know if you have any questions and have a great week.